Okay students, now after question number 4, we have question number 5 of review exercise 11. The question is, the given figure LMNP is a parallelogram and find the values of M and N. Here, first of all, see the diagram. This is a parallelogram LMNP. And we have to find the values of small m and n. Here you can see m and n. If you see the diagram, this m and n are representing the sides of a parallelogram. So, let's see the solution. Here we have the solution. It is question number 5 of review exercise 11. Here is the diagram. And we have to find the values of small m and n. M and n are representing the sides of parallelogram. So, now we will write the statement as opposite sides of parallelogram are congruent. So, LM, this side is congruent to NP or PN. This side is congruent to this one. Here I have written LM is congruent to PN. Now assign the values. The value of LM is 8m minus 4n, equality sign, and the value of PN is 8. This is our first equation, equation number 1. Now come to the second side. This side LP is congruent to MN. Here I have written LP is congruent to MN or MN is congruent to LP. So, MN is congruent to LP. Now assign the values. The value of MN is 10. Here I have assigned. And the value of LP is 4m plus n. Here I have assigned. So, this congruency sign is changed into sign of equality. From this equation, we can calculate the value of n. Leave this n here and move this 4m to the other side. Here it is positive. When I change its side, it will become negative. So the equation becomes n is equals to 10 minus 4m. This is my second equation. Now, put this value of n into first equation. I have written the equation number 1 again. 8m minus 4n is equals to 8. This is my equation number 1. I have written it again. And here is the n. I will put the value of n here. This is the value of n. You can see I have put the value of n. Clear? Now, open the bracket. This will remain 8m. Minus 4 tens are 40, minus minus plus 4 fours are 16m. Here you can see that n has been eliminated. Now we have 2m, this and this. So I will add both of these. 8m plus 16m is equals to 24m. Minus 40 as it is equals to 8 as it is. Now move this 40 to the other side. Here it is negative. When I move it to the other side, it will become positive. So the equation becomes 24m is equals to 40 plus 8. This becomes 24m is equals to 48. I will move this 24 to the other side. Here it will come in the denominator. Now I will cancel 24 ones are 24 and 24 twos are 48. So the value of m has been calculated as 2. Now put this value of m in equation number 2. Here you can see this is my equation number 2. N is equals to 10 minus 4m. I will write the equation again as you can see. Now put this value of m and solve. So the value of n will come out as 2. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Clear? I hope this question is also clear to you. So move to question number 6. Now, question number 6 is in the question number 5. Here is the question number 5 and the diagram of question number 5. Sum of opposite angles of parallelogram is 110. Here you can see L and N both are opposite angle, and if we add them, the sum comes out to be 110. 55 plus 55 is equals to 110. Find the remaining angles. We have to find the remaining angles, and the remaining angles are this P and this M. It means we have to find the value of P and M. Clear? So let's see the solution. Here you can see I have written the question and draw the diagram again. Now we are talking about the angles, so the statement will come as opposite angles of parallelogram are congruent. So angle L is congruent to angle N. Here angle L is congruent to angle N. 55 is congruent to 55. Clear? Now the second is angle P is congruent to angle M. Angle M is congruent to angle P. Again, you can see we don't have the value of angle M. So first of all, we will calculate the value of M. Again, to find the value of M, I will extend this side. As you can see, the dotted line, I have extended this side. And I have named this external angle as Y degree. Clear? So, again, this Y degree is corresponding angle of 55. So, the value of this Y is 55. This internal angle is equals to this corresponding external angle. Here you can see this is the angle Y. This Y is equals to this 55 degree. Now, you can also see that this angle M marked as black and this angle Y marked as blue, both of them are making a sum of 180 degree as they are making a semicircle. Here you can see they are making a semicircle. So they are supplementary angles. Clear? So we can write angle M plus angle Y is equals to 180 degree. Here angle M plus Y degree is equals to 180 degree. Here you have to write the reason. Both of they are supplementary angles. Clear? They are supplementary angles. Now we have the value of Y. We have calculated the value of Y as 55. So put the value of Y 55. Now move this 55 to the other side. Here it is positive. When it change its side, it will become negative. 180 minus 55 is equals to 125. So the value of M has been calculated as 125. Here is M. This is the M. It has been calculated as 125 degree. Now if you remember, opposite angles of parallelogram are congruent. So angle P is congruent to angle M. Here I have written angle P is congruent to angle M. Now put the value of this M. Angle M is 125 degree. So angle P is also 125 degree. This is all in chapter number 11. I hope this chapter is clear to you.